Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys all about doing a simple day-to-day makeup. I know that a lot of people are always talking about how they don't like doing makeup. I know there are like so many people like that always say they don't like doing makeup. But the truth about it is it that you don't like doing your makeup or you actually don't know how to do your makeup? Either one. Today I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to do a day-to-day makeup. So I have a few things with me. I have lip gloss. I have some products that some of you might be like, these are professional products and I don't necessarily need them. I have my Energizer Spritz spray. I have my mascara. I'm going to make a video. You guys are going to see all of the products that I'm going to be using today, just doing my makeup and all of that. So let's get right into it. And trust me, you're going to be doing this look almost every day if you have the time, in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon when you're going out. Okay, so before I actually do my makeup on a day-to-day basis, I don't do my makeup all the days of the week, but there are days whereby you're just waking up feeling happy, you're feeling funky, and you just want to do your face to fit that energy that you're waking up with, literally. So basically what I just do is, once I do my whole skincare, sunscreen, all those things, I go ahead to use this energizing speech gel. There are different brands that make this actually, but this is a vitamin C energizer facial spray. I'm going to do a separate video so you guys can see these products. So what I just do is I just spray on my face literally and wait for it to dry. And honestly, you guys can see my nails are looking nice. Another thing that you should know about me, if you're just if you're just meeting me for the first time to my YouTube channel, you need to know that I love having my nails done. I literally enjoy having my nails done. I love it so much. Another low budget thing that I do that I do when I want to do my day-to-day makeup is I make use of this brush. I really don't know all of these things, and I'm supposed to be a makeup artist in the UK, which is really funny. So I don't know if this product is available in Nigeria. It's Gummy Professional, so it's like an edge control. That's what I use for my edges. As you can see, they always keep it intact, but I put a little bit of water inside just to make it water based and all of that. And mind you, another thing I need you guys to know about this spray is that it gives there's a slight tingling feeling that you would get when you use that spray, because I don't know how to explain it, but it just does that, and then after a while it kind of cools down. So I take a little bit of my edge control. I do have a brow grabber, the particular gels that are made specifically for eyebrows, but I don't like using it when I'm going out on a regular day and I just want to do a little bit of touch up on my face, because I don't know, I would like to use it when I'm doing a proper face, face glam and things like that. So I just take this and then I use it to shaping out my brows. As you guys can see, it's definitely already just even from that distance you can see that it is already standing perfect. And for someone that doesn't have brows, if you're like me and you don't have brows, we are in the same WhatsApp group. As you can see, I don't really have brows, but it just looks like there's something there. Personally, I don't like to draw my brows, even when I do full faced makeup. As you guys can see in these videos that are showing on the screen, I don't like to do my makeup. Sorry, I don't like to draw my brows when I do my makeup, because it just makes me look really old. It makes me not really old, but it just makes me look older, and I don't like. I go for my eyes first just to see how I'm feeling about my eyes. So most days I'm always feeling very shimmery shamara about my eyes, and I have this eye definer. They literally make your eyes pop, they make your eyes pop out. So not pop out though, like not pop out like it's pop out of your socket, but they make your eyes like come out. So what I just do is I just put them under my eye here like this. I don't know if you guys know this thing called kajal, but like, see, look at this eye and look at this eye. There's a big difference when you look at both eyes. This one is more defined. This one just looks like So yeah, I just put this in my eyes and just like that. One of the reasons why I always do this first is because when I do people's makeup, even like sometimes when I do my own makeup, like if you're a makeup artist and you have done my face before and you're on this channel, you will know that I laugh a lot when I'm doing my under eye because it's very ticklish, and so people tend to tear up when they are doing their under eye. And like I said, we're not using foundation for this look, so I'm not doing my eyes first because the tears are going to like scatter my eyes or anything, but I just like doing it. The thing I like to do is, like I said, for my eyes, I always actually feel very glittery. Like I just want to like sparkle on my eyes. Sorry, my palette is a bit dirty because I just had a job recently and I still have like some stains from that job. So what I do is I always go for the lighter shade of the dark browns, which is this one. It's almost done. I need to buy another palette. I feel like I feel like a powder palette is very essential for, you know, every single lady. Like this kind of palette, I feel like it's very essential because you don't even have to be a makeup artist. Like my face is already literally coming out just even using the eye definer. So what I do is I just like dab a little because I don't want my eyes looking oily. Because like, of course, if you're in Nigeria or Africa, any country in Africa, there's always a lot of sunlight compared to here in the UK, you know, where it's mostly like windy and stuff like that, and the sun just comes out once in a while or sometimes. So yeah, I like to go for a little bit of powder on my eyelid just to calm it down because I don't really want, like, right now, I don't want my eyes like, you know, shining and competing with my lips, literally. Yeah, but there's still going to be a little bit of glitter, and I just like take my highlighter and put it over, just slightly over, like slightly, and then I go back and take this same brush. If you notice, the mouth is like quite expanded, and I just like, you know, yeah, I just like space it out and just like brush it out, and there's like a little bit of definition on my eyes. It's not too shiny, but at the same time you know that there's something there. Next thing is, for some reason I really like this Mega Impact mascara, and when I started doing makeup, my sister was the one that introduced me to most of the products that I knew. So this was like one of the first products that she actually gifted me in my early teenage years, and I just kind of stuck with it. But another mascara that I think I've used before that defines your lashes properly, that I would say, is Zaron. Zaron has really good mascara. I'm not one of those people to like do like this because I'm always really very scared. My eyes are not the greatest. I use glasses and all that stuff, so I try as much as possible to be very careful. But you guys can see, like, look at this eye and look at this eye. Like, there's already a difference, and I don't necessarily, you know, have to use like lashes. And lastly, I just go like my under eye and then just do a little. I just take the powder and just like put it my under eye, and that's literally about it. And like my face has like a little bit, it's looking less dull compared to how I was looking before, like, and I'm not even looking too excessive or anything like that. So the next thing I like to do is go into my lips. God, I actually do enjoy doing my lips a lot. I don't have like all the professional makeup in the world. Like, you don't even need to have all of them. Like, you just need to know how to, what's it called, improvise, literally. Because me, that is what I literally used to do when I didn't have all my makeup products. So I have another powder palette, and it's almost finished as well. But if you notice, there's a really dark shade here, so you can use this dark shade. Let me tell you something, you don't necessarily need like a stick lip liner like this to line your lips all the time, or this kind. You literally can use this. I've used this for myself, I've used this for people that I've done makeup for, and I've used it for every you know, I don't know which dance that one is, but anyway. So I just use this really tiny brush here, and I think I'm going to overline my lips. Overlining my lips always comes out better when it is a daily, everyday look, because you want to look active, you want to look energetic, you don't want to look like I've just been sleeping all day. These three products. I know that some of you can see some familiar faces. There's the NYX brown lip gloss as well. There's the popular Nigerian, typical Nigerian boarding house girl. But let's just even say typical Nigerian secondary school girl lip gloss, absolute. And there's also this beautiful high gloss lip gloss. First, this is first coat. I just like, and this kind of gives you that nude look as well. Apply this, and I'm applying this first because it's a brown lip gloss. If I put it over absolute, it's going to kind of like disrupt the whole look that I'm going for. Oh my god, you guys, I'm already looking nice. Stick of your, I know that a lot of you don't have time to be using the stick of your, this thing of your brush. I'm so Nigerian, Jesus, you can take it out of me. So I just like put this over, because god, I love when my lips are like glossy. You could literally like give 5 people lip gloss for my lips. That's how I am. Like, if you, hey, it's life. So can you guys, oh my god, like compared to when this video started and compared to now, you guys, like, oh my god, like I could literally go outside now. Like, if someone just like hits me up like, Elsie, Tommy, let's go out, let's just go have drinks and stuff, like, girl, I look act primer here, which is by MUA Makeup Academy, like that, and I just like use my hand to apply it on my cheeks. If I take a picture, they're going to be obvious, just like that, looking so pretty. I'm not even looking at you guys, I'm looking at myself. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and tell someone about my channel. Come back for more, because there's gonna be a lot in store for you guys. Also, if you notice, I didn't use a ring light in this video, and the reason being is because I need to get ring lights, I need to get equipment, I need to get, you know, a lot of things that I had to drop back in Nigeria. So if you're feeling generous and you're enjoying this page and you would just like to donate, feel free to do that by using the details provided in the description box. Thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me what you think about this look. Bye.